Hey everybody, it's Wake Angel 2001. If I look a little bit strange, I ate some new candy that I bought that had, it kind of dyed my lip blue. So don't worry, nobody punched me in the face or anything like that. I'm not bruised, I just have a lot of artificial food coloring on my lips. Anyway, this is in regards to another base toy that got sent to me. I forgot to shoot a video for that, the one that I'm making Young Link out of, the Bobby, the kid from Dungeons and Dragons that kind of looks like a 10-year-old cosplaying as He-Man. Yeah, so progress on that is happening. Got his head's already here, body's already painted. Look, made his old tunic skirt. So, yeah, within a couple days that should be done. But now we're opening a box, which was sent to make another custom out of. And trying to figure out how this one opens. I think I gotta cut the tape first, but then there's like some self-adhesive things on the sides. So okay, tape is cut. There we go. Yay, self-adhesive. What do we have here? We have we have an envelope in a box. What is with this packageception here? Okay, this one has, I swear to God, there's another layer of packaging in here. Ah, yes. This is a good old-fashioned Jazzwares Sonic figure. Yes. Let me go back to the list of the 5 so I can see whose this is. There we go. 5 commissioners. Let's see, this one would be coming from Dylan D. Yes, this is the base Sonic figure he sent for me to make into a Scourge. Not Surge, Scourge. The first green Sonic clone from a comic book. It's in good shape. All of his joints are nice and solid. Nothing's too floppy. Waist is a little... The waist is a little weak. I'm probably going to have to thicken the waist peg of all things, but all of his other joints seem to hold fine. Man, it's been a long time since I worked on a pristine Jazzwares figure. I feel like the left and right legs on this figure have been swapped, but you know what? All that will be handled when I'm working on converting him. It's funny. Scourge was the very first custom figure that I ever publicly released on YouTube, on DeviantArt. Like, it was the first one I ever made, and here we are, all this time later. And after finally reopening my commissions, one of the first ones is that. Of course, this was a special one. This one comes with the All-Stars Racer car. Yeah. I already have this car, and this one is in perfect shape. Yeah, no scratches, no scuffs. A little bit. Yeah, the wheels spin. Yeah, I always wondered what I could do with this. Like, cause like, could I make this look like a Batmobile, or maybe the Mach 5? Something else. Oh no, this is not the Sonic that normally comes with this car, because he has closed fists instead of holding hands. So like, whoever sold Dylan this thing just sold a regular fist having Sonic figure with the All-Stars Racer car. That's how the aftermarket works sometimes. But yes, that is what we have going on. Not sure if I'll do anything to this car or what I'll do with it. I'm not sure. Maybe you can put some suggestions in the comments. Any particular vehicles that you would like to see. Maybe there's an alternate color scheme. Or maybe you think a Sonic themed Mach 5 would be awesome. I don't know. Yeah, put that to me in the description, and not the description, in the comments below. And, yeah, eventually this will be a Scourge after I, finish the Young Link and I think the Robotnik. Yeah, although the Robotnik's going to be a complicated job. I started to smooth out the sculpting, but there are parts of it that I just can't get past the sculpting. I had to remove some, so these shoulder pads, gonna sand them down, make them thinner, and then probably resculpt on top of that to make them look smooth. But yeah, that's future Angel's problem. I was able to 3D print his head before my Z-stop switch broke, so I at least have this part done. The mustache was too thin to actually print, so I gotta make the mustache after the fact. And, Saturday morning Dr. Robotnik without his mustache looks particularly cursed. I'm not sure how well that's coming up on camera, but he kinda looks like an anthropomorphic blobfish. Alright, so thank you all for watching me do this silly little unboxing, and we'll catch you next time.